Hey guys, welcome back. So I've just finished doing a video tasting of Homebrew's Octane Red IPA, which I really enjoyed. You'll see a video of that either before or after this video here. So anyway, that inspired me, or tasting Martin's beer inspired me to do a quick video tasting of my Nelson and Simcoe XPA. So here it is here. So very happy with the colour, nice light straw colour, nice little tight bubble cap on the top there. Excuse me. So as with all my XPAs that I've done to date, I keep the same malt bill, so it's 80% Gladfield Light Lager malt and then 20% Gladfield Wheat malt. And I find that's a really nice balance between having a nice clean sort of crisp malt flavour, and then the wheat gives it a little bit of mouthfeel and also adds a nice little cap on the top. So using Nelson and Simcoe this time, and the reason behind that is recently I had a commercial beer called Chillax XPA, which used the combo of Nelson and Simcoe, so I thought I really enjoyed that. So let's try it in the next XPA I brewed up. So this is the finished beer. The only other major difference between this XPA, apart from changing the hops and previous ones I've done, is that I've left out the dry hop completely. So I've done a little bit of reading recently where a few people have been pushing towards increasing the Whirlpool hop stand addition and leaving out the dry hop. Yeah, just a little bit more from an experimental point of view. I know some people say that the dry hop is usually the first thing to go in a beer. It usually adds to the aroma, and that's the first thing that tapers off. So the idea is by increasing the flame out hop stand addition, hopefully the beer will still give you lots of hop character, but will maybe hang on to that hop character for longer, if that makes sense. So that's the theory anyway. I used Nelson, a little bit of the Nelson for bittering to 27 IBUs, and then used a combo of Nelson and Simcoe as a large flame out hop stand addition. So it was 150 grams all up in a third batch size. So if you scale that up, you're looking at 450 grams for a full batch size, which sounds a lot, but just remember there is no dry hop addition. So yeah, 27 IBUs, and just clocking in at a moderate 4.3%. So it's going to hopefully be all about the hops. So let's yeah. So there's all my notes there, in case you think I'm running a professional outfit here. Chicken scratching notes on the back of a bit of paper. So yeah, let's get a nose on it, guys. Hope your week's going well, and hopefully looking forward to Easter. So yeah, straight away I'm getting the hops on the nose. Getting like a citrus and stone fruit sort of aroma. Real nice combo, which I think I really liked in that Chillax XPA. Just that nice, combo of not just citrus, but having something to balance it with the stone fruit. So yeah, like peach, citrus. So smells really inviting, so we're not going to waste any time. We'll go in for a taste. Okay, so my first thoughts are, I was getting some nice hits of the hops on the nose, but they're definitely coming through a lot more on the flavour. And I guess that's part of the experiment of leaving out the dry hop, which is more aroma focused, is that possibly the aroma is a little bit lessened, but I'm definitely still picking up the hops there, but the flavour is more pronounced. Yeah, it's got really nice, punchy, juicy hop flavour. So really pleased about that. Yeah, really nice. And again, I'm getting the citrus, stone fruit, peach, passion fruit coming through. Like a zesty sort of citrus, probably from that Simcoe. The stone fruit, the peach, the passion fruit, more so from the Nelson. Getting a little bit of that gooseberry from the Nelson coming through now. Nice bit of glass lacing as well there. Just trying to gather my thoughts a little bit. Yeah, fantastic glass lacing. Probably courtesy of the wheat there. No, it's really nice. So yeah, so how would I say leaving out the dry hops gone? I think it's gone really well, to be honest. I guess maybe the aroma's lessened a bit. So if you think about your total amount of hops that you use as being here, you can either put some more into the aroma than your dry hop, and then you got a little bit less coming through maybe in the flavour. So what I've done is probably reduce the aroma, you know, and increase the flavour side a bit more. Probably did that the wrong way around, but hopefully you got the gist. So yeah, so sort of thinking accountants terms, sort of debits and credits. So take a little bit away from the aroma by taking out the dry hop and adding a little bit more to the flavour. But there's still plenty there in the aroma to sort of lure you into wanting to taste the beer, which is what you want. And then you're getting, yeah, there's definitely more in the flavour than I would normally get when I'm doing this XPA recipe. Yeah, I'm really happy with that. It's a very nice, drinkable, hoppy, juicy XPA. And that was pretty much my aim when I started out. 4.3%, 27 IBUs. It's a beer you could just, you know, down a few glasses of. So yeah, very happy indeed with that sort of experiment, I guess you could say. So thanks for watching, guys. If you got any questions, specific questions, or if you just want to throw up a comment, please do so. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. Got any feedback about this video or the channel? I'm more than open to that as well. So thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy your Easter break, and we'll catch you in the next video. Over and out. Cheers.